right, now to the southern tier, where a legal battle is now brewing over a controversial water merger between the village of Fredonia and the city of Dunkirk. Now, a group of Fredonia residents filing a lawsuit to try and block that merger. Our Hannah Ferreira in Chautauqua County today, giving a voice to both sides of this divisive issue.
As much as it's going to cost to rehabilitate an old facility, to me, it didn't seem like it was going to be money well spent.
You add in the environmental concerns, you add in the historical, the sentimental feelings, and there are just so many overwhelming reasons to save the reservoir.
Debate surrounding the future of Fredonia's water treatment plant reaching a boiling point. A group of neighbors are now suing the village following a decision last month to shut down Fredonia's water treatment plant and switch their water supplier to the city of Dunkirk. I met with Andrew Ludwig, one of the neighbors involved in the lawsuit.
Main reason for the lawsuit is because this was the only way we could slow them down. And what we're concerned about, those of us that actually petitioned, we're concerned is they're just going to keep plugging ahead.
But when I spoke with town trustee John Esperson last month, he had different feelings.
The ones that voted that have probably lived in Fredonia most of their lives. They've always had the reservoir, they've always had the water treatment plant, it's always been good enough. But the easy thing is not necessarily the right thing.
Ludwig tells me he has lived in Fredonia most of his life, which is why he believes it's so important for his neighbors to feel heard.
This is going to affect generations of Fredonians long after we're all dead and buried. So put it up for a vote. It's too important of a decision to let 5 people decide.
Generations of Fredonia residents are going to be impacted by whatever we do. And my thought was purchasing water from Dunkirk and shutting the plant down is a better long-term option.
Now, Fredonia's mayor giving me a statement reading, in part, "We are being accused of breaking the law by not having a seeker report yet. We've made it well aware to the public we have not reached that point." Hannah Ferreira, 7 News, Fredonia.